Pearl Index. Pearl Index, it is a measure of contraceptive failure rate. How it is defined? What is Pearl Index? It is defined as the number of failure per 100 women year of exposure. It is used to measure contraceptive efficacy and it is expressed as HWY. We all know we will use different contraceptive method to prevent the conception or to prevent the pregnancy, but no one contraceptive method give 100% result, or we can say that each contraceptive method has its failure rate, either 1 or 0.1 or 0.5, whatever. Each contraceptive method have failure rate, means even after using the contraceptive methods, the conception can occur or pregnancy can occur. This is called failure of contraception, and this failure is measured in Pearl Index and it is expressed as HWY or 100 woman year. How it is calculated? Pearl Index is equal to total number of accidental pregnancies divided by total months of exposure multiplied by 1200. Here 1200 is the number of months in 1200, means 12 into 100 is equal to 1200. In designing and interpreting a use effective trial of any contraceptive method, a minimum of 600 months of exposure is usually required or considered necessary before coming to any conclusion. But the Pearl Index is usually based on exposure of only 1 year. It is usually based on exposure of 1 year. So it is its limitation of Pearl Index. What is it? With the most method of contraception, the failure rate declines with the duration of use. Suppose we are using any contraception for 10 years or 20 years, then if we use any contraception for longer duration, we will see that the failure rate declines with the duration of use. More the duration, failure rate will be the less. But the Pearl Index is usually based on specific exposure, usually 1 year, not only 1 year, but it is usually 1 year. Therefore, Pearl Index fails to accurately measure the failure rate of different method at various duration of exposure. So, how this limitation can be overcome? How to overcome this limitation? This limitation can be overcome by using the method of life table analysis. Life table analysis is also measures the contraceptive failure rate, but we are not discussing here. This topic we are not discussing right now, we will discuss it later. So come to the different contraceptive method and what are the failure rate of that contraceptive. Condom, its failure rate is 100 women year, but if we use condom consistently and properly according to the method of use, the failure rate can be declined to 300 women year. Diaphragm, its failure rate is 20-100 women year. Coitus interruptus, its failure rate is 20-100 women year. Coitus interruptus, I think you know, it is the just withdrawal of penis just before the ejaculation. Lactational amenorrhea, failure rate is 1 to 10-100 women year. It is the amenorrhea when the mother exclusively breastfeed the child. LNG-IUS or LNG-IUD, levonorgestrel intrauterine device. It is a third generation intrauterine device and it is very effective. Its failure rate is 0.200 women year. Copper T380A, its failure rate is 0.800 women year. OCP or combined oral contraceptive pills, its failure rate is 0.100 women year. Mini pill, it is also known as progesterone only pill and its failure rate is 0.5 to 200 women year. Vasectomy, its failure rate is 0.1500 women year. And the tubectomy, the dissection of fallopian tube is cut and ligated by the side. It is operative method and its failure rate is 0.1 to 0.500 women year if it is done by Pomeroy's method. So this is the Pearl index we have discussed. Thank you.